Hello, grade 7 students. Let me teach you how to use Mail Merge in MS Word. Mail Merge allows you to send the same document to many people, but with personalized information like names, addresses, or grades.
For this example, we will be using an invitation for a birthday celebration. First step is to go to the Mailings tab and start Mail Merge. We will be choosing letters since this is a letter and select recipients. For this example, we will be choosing use an existing list. Before we proceed to the next step, let me show you the list of recipients that I have prepared in Excel.
Okay, so it is important to have labels for our recipients list. First name, the last name, title, the address, of course. And then let's go back to our letter and then select recipients and use an existing list.
Let's locate our Excel file.
Okay, so this is our file. So merong lalabas na prompt diyan kung ito pa yung sheet na, kung saan naka-save yung ating file. So let's check here. So ito yon, sheet 1, and then click OK. Then now we're ready to insert our address block. Then over here, we have our recipient's name format. You can choose this one. And on the right side, you can see the preview. If you don't want to have the last name of our recipient, pwede. Pero kung gusto mo may last name, pwede naman. So para sa akin, I will be choosing this one.
Let's put greeting line.
Over here, you can edit the greeting line. You can use dear or to or none. Pero para sa akin, I will be editing this one. My friend, and then space. And gusto ko yung format na lang. Okay, so down here, you will see the preview. Siyempre, you can choose punctuation. Okay, click OK. After that, you need to see how it would look like in our letter. So let's select preview results. Okay, so para sa akin masyadong malayo yung kanilang spaces. So punta tayo sa home and then edit the spacing. So 1.15 and remove space after paragraph. Okay, so para sa akin okay na siya. Let's go back to mailings. And then let's preview um, the recipient's name. So compare natin dito sa ating list. I have here 11 recipients on my list. Ayun, ito yung pangalawa. This is the third on my list. Fourth, the fifth. Okay, so that's the last one. And to finish this, let's click on Finish and Merge. You can actually edit individual document if you still have to edit. Pero kung okay na for printing, you have just print documents. Or if you want to send this email, let's try to do this in documents. And may prompt na lalabas kung gusto mong i-print lahat. You can choose all and click OK. Or kung gusto mo lang naman na pumili kung alin ang ipiprint mo, pwede naman. And for the second option, which is to send email messages, you can send format, HTML, an attachment, or a plain. You can actually select kung alin man ang gusto mo lang isend as an email. Let's try another example of mail merge using a different method. So let's go to Mailings tab and start mail merge and choose letters. And for our selected recipient, we'll be choosing type new list. So ngayon, merong prompt na lumabas. i-input ka ng recipients list. Sa title, pwede kang maglagay ng Mr., Miss. The company name, since hindi pa naman siya nagtatrabaho, I will be customizing this column. Company name, let's delete this one. Choose the column and then just delete. Prompt na lalabas. When you delete field company name, any information in this field will also be deleted. That's okay. Wala pa naman tayong nilagay. And then hit sa addresses, siguro i-delete ko na din 'tong mga 'to. Hindi na natin kailangan. Wala naman siyang city. Okay, dito sa zip code, delete ko na din. Hindi ko na siya kailangan.
Let me show you how to rename the column. So let's rename this to city and then click OK. Now let's type in the needed information for our address block. At para magdagdag tayo ng recipient, just click on New Entry. Type in the title, the first name, the last name, and the address. Let's add another recipient. Type in the necessary information and then click OK. We need to save our recipient's file. So let's type in birthday invitation and save. Now we're ready to use this list. So let's click on select recipient and birthday invitation and click OK. Then let's move to address block, choose a format, then let's proceed to greeting line, choose a format, and then let's preview. If you need to edit the spacing, just go to home and let's go back to mailings tab. Finally, let's proceed to finish and merge. You can print the documents or you can send this as an email. That's it for our mail merge.